Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to a quick little video on Forgotten Weapons. I just wanted to mention that I am adding a new perk to the Patreon system, and that is completely ad-free videos for all patrons at all dollar values. Frankly, this is something that I probably should have thought about and implemented a while ago, but it didn't occur to me that there was basically a feasible way to do it. Well, there is. So what will happen starting actually yesterday is everybody on Patreon will get an email in the morning when a new video drops. It will have a link to a completely ad-free version of that video, as well as the full description text for that video with whatever text commentary I have about it. So this is good for a couple things. First off, YouTube pre-roll ads can be annoying, and those of you who are subscribed on Patreon are already doing far more for me than the occasional pre-roll ad does, so why should you be wasting your time watching those things? Secondly, I've heard from more than a few people who said, like, hey, YouTube randomly unsubscribed to me from your channel and I don't see your videos anymore. Well, if you're on Patreon now at any level, you'll get an update each morning with that day's new dropped video. So you won't have to worry about YouTube's algorithm deciding whether or not you ought to see it. It'll be right there in your email for you to click on or not click on if the particular video doesn't interest you. Now, to answer a few questions I'm sure are going to come up, yeah, Forgotten Weapons has been a monetized channel from the beginning. In fact, it was a monetized channel before I had a Patreon account, and I left it monetized for a couple reasons. First off, of course, the extra income is a nice little addendum to what I get from Patreon. Every bit helps. Diversification, especially in the firearms industry, is a wise thing. I think I never know for sure if some platform is going to totally drop me tomorrow morning for whatever reasons. Secondly, YouTube does promote monetized videos far more than demonetized ones. And they claim they don't, but I've seen the data in my own analytics. I can tell you for absolute certainty, they do, in fact. So I want to reach the largest audience possible, obviously, and so the way to do that is with monetized videos. At any rate, not an issue for those of you who are in Patreon now, because you won't have to deal with any of that. So hopefully it'll be a real good win-win. For those of you on Utreon, of course, Utreon subscribers have never had to see ads of any sort either. If you are just watching unsubscribed on Utreon, they have started running pre-roll ads over there. So you can subscribe on Patreon or subscribe on Utreon and avoid those. Or of course, if you're on Floatplane, Floatplane has always been completely ad-free because that's just the nature of that platform. So anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow we have a Q&A with Fireplace Guy, which I think a lot of you will find rather interesting. He has an absolutely phenomenal collection that I've been filming with for years now. So stick around for that tomorrow. Thank you all very much, especially those of you who do subscribe, those of you who tell your friends and spread the channel. Thanks.